Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
What are the complications? Like you said, diabetes के बहुत दोस्त हैं. So what are those friends of hypertension, which are the complications which are coming as with hypertension? Yeah.
Hypertension is again associated with so many complications. सबसे बड़ी problem तो, as we said, it's a silent killer.
जी.
Why? Because almost half of the people don't know that they have hypertension. They just simply land up in the emergencies. We do see so many cases. हमें देखने को मिलते हैं emergency में. अभी तक कुछ नहीं पता था. Patient आ रहा है unconscious state में. Measure the blood pressure. 2-3 days back only I had a case. 220 by 140 was the blood pressure. He had a stroke. He had brain hemorrhage. अभी तक कोई hypertension की history ही नहीं थी. So that's the irony again. Half of the people don't know they have hypertension, and rest half who know, ऑलमोस्ट उसमें से भी आधे ही ऐसे लोग होंगे जो प्रॉपरली अपने ब्लड प्रेशर को मेंटेन या कंट्रोल कर पाते हैं. उसमें से भी 25% पीपल डोंट actually are able to control their blood pressure, maybe because of their reasons only, like या तो डॉक्टर्स को नहीं दिखा रहे या टाइम से दवाई नहीं खा रहे. there are multiple reasons for that. So hypertension is associated with various types of complications like brain related disorders like brain hemorrhage or ischemic stroke. Then heart failure, heart से संबंधित causes like heart failure, that's a very common problem, having heart failure. Coronary artery diseases like heart attacks or having cardiomyopathies, having kidney related disorders like kidney का functioning में impact पड़ जाता है. So these are the three main organs on which the this high blood pressure is affecting, and another is the eyes. Like eyes also, like the fundus of the या जो पीछे का पर्दा जो आंखों का होता है उस पे भी high blood pressure का बहुत direct effect होता है. So it's again related with so many complications.